I've just done one of the more stupid things I've ever done before. I bought a KTM. Hi, I'm Francois from adventurebiketroop.com, and I've just bought myself a KTM. It's something that I thought I'd never do. I am a Japanese fanboy, but the offer was just too good to be true. Just too good to pass me by, and I wanted to buy this for a new series here on the channel. Here's a photo of the bike, but this is not what the bike currently looks like, and that's why I say it's one of the more stupid things I've done before. Let me show you what the bike looks like, and then you'll see what I'm talking about. Well, before that, it's actually not one of the stupidest things I've done. I have bought a camper where I tried to do a Ford to VW engine conversion swap thing. That didn't work out, so I swapped it for the XR650L, one of my better decisions. And I have bought a Pajero 3.5 V6 that overheated, and I took apart the engine in this shed here. So this is probably the third stupidest thing, but let's have a look at what I bought for this channel. Okay, so brace yourselves. There it is. That is my new 1996 KTM EXC or SX. The motor is in that bag there. At least it's orange. And we are going to attempt to build this into a proper dirt bike that I can learn slow wheelies on. So I'm going to unpack all of this, and then we'll have a look at all the parts that will make up this new bike. So the bike ran good, but it had some engine problems. I don't know exactly what. So my friend redid the engine. He is a mechanic, a bike mechanic, aircraft mechanic, but he didn't get to rebuilding the whole bike. He just didn't have time for it. So I bought the bike from him for a very good price. And this is the biggest project of this nature that I've taken on. So it's going to take some learning, and I'll use the manual, ask around on YouTube. But what I want to know from you, what do you think? Should I put all the parts together, see if I can get the bike running and to see what is missing? Or should I just take it step by step from one end to the other and rebuild everything and clean it up as I go along and build the bike that way? So please comment below what you think. First put the bike together to see what's missing, and then take it apart again, then clean it up, or clean it up and rebuild it as we go along. As you comment below, I'm just going to take a sip of beer because it's pretty hot here. Okay, so that's the plan. Now, as you can see, there's going to be a whole lot of cleaning up. It's been standing outside under a roof for a few years. There's quite a lot of mud and rust beginning to set in. Parts will have to be rebuilt. There's going to be some missing little parts and hardware that I'll have to figure out first of all what is missing and what is needed. So hopefully I'll find information online, or you can comment if you see something clearly that's missing in this pile of junk. Then I'll probably have to rebuild the brakes. I can see the pads are fairly worn. Not sure where you're going to find parts for a 96 250 SX or EXC. Maybe eBay, Amazon, I don't know. Locally I might struggle. Otherwise, I know my friend has a whole lot of parts lying around, and he said I'm welcome to come and rummage around to see what is missing, and he'll give it to me for free. The engine is fine. I'll have to do some work on the carburetor, and then the forks is going to have to be rebuilt, and my friend said he'll help me with that, so I will make a video on that. So yeah, please let me know if you are interested in following a build like this and what you would love to see, and if you have a lot of experience, any tips or tricks that you want to give in the comments below. Even if it is to give up, I won't listen, not just yet. And if you have any questions and stuff that you would want to learn about and see, let me know, because then I can make more detailed videos on those sections. So please follow along, subscribe if you're not subscribed, give it a like, share it, and I'll see you in the next video for the first episode of the KTM 250SX bike build. Cheerio!